Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions in TypeScript. What's the difference between type and interface? And more importantly, when should you use one over the other? While the type keyword is used to define custom type aliases for various types, including primitive, union, object, function, tuple, and literal types, the interface keyword is used to define the structure of functions and objects. As you can see, both interfaces and types can be used to define object shapes, but they have some distinctions. This is where the debate begins. Let's see the first difference. Types can be extended using intersection. This allows you to combine multiple types into one. Interfaces, on the other hand, can be extended using the extends keyword. This allows you to create a new interface that inherits the properties of an existing one and adds new properties. Note that TypeScript caches extended interfaces by name, enabling faster lookups. In contrast, intersection types are reevaluated each time they're used. This is why TypeScript suggests extending types with extends rather than creating intersection types. Secondly, interfaces support declaration merging, which means you can define multiple interfaces with the same name, and TypeScript will merge them into a single definition. This is particularly useful when working with third-party libraries or augmenting existing types. Unlike interfaces, type aliases do not support declaration merging. If you try to define multiple type aliases with the same name, TypeScript will throw an error. When deciding which to use, choose type when you need to define unions, tuples, or other complex types, create a type alias for a primitive or a function signature, or require more flexibility in defining types. On the other hand, choose interface when defining the shape of an object, needing extensibility, or wanting to take advantage of declaration merging. Finally, here's a recommendation from TypeScript. They highlights that in most cases you can choose between interface and type based on your preference. A general guideline is to use interface by default and only opt for type when you require features that interface cannot offer. So what is your preference, type or interface?